Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be making some more fidgets. Let's get started. So the stuff we're gonna need this little Ziploc that I have from my paint. We're gonna need some gel beads, which is optional, some hand sanitizer, and some nice sparkly sparkles. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna grab our gel and pour some in. Make sure you don't put too much. Okay, now we're gonna add some sprinkles. And I'm gonna use my little spoon to put some in. There we go. Last, I'm gonna put the gel beads. And I'm gonna kind of put it all in. Okay. A lot bit more sparkles. There. Sparkle explosion! Okay, I think that's good. Okay, I think that's good. And now I'm going to seal it up. We're going to put glue gun along the top. I got both sides done. I made one more for my collection. For the next fidget, we're going to need this a little cup. This is where I had my paint before. And some water. And some baby oil. And any type of paint you want. Let's get started. First step is I'm going to put some paint in the water. Okay, I think that's good. And I'm going to mix it up. We're gonna grab some in the syringe and put it in the bottle. There we go. Now I put some baby oil in this cup. And I'm gonna grab it with the syringe again. And I'm gonna put it in the cup. And I'm gonna add some sparkles in to make it shine. So, there we go. That's so pretty! So I got all the sparkles in, and we're gonna tap it up. Put some glue gun at the top for it to close nice and tight, and for it to not spill. These are my new fidget for my collection. Hi, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye. I hope you liked this video.